18th Rose. The Hail Mary, Blessings. This heavenly salutation draws down upon us the blessings of Jesus and Mary in abundance, for it is an infallible truth that Jesus and Mary reward in a marvelous way those who glorify them. They repay us 100-fold for the praises we give them. I love them that love me, that I may enrich them that love me and fill their treasures. Jesus and Mary have always said, "We love those who love us. We enrich them and fill their treasuries to overflowing. He who soweth in blessings shall also reap blessings." Now, if we say the Hail Mary properly, is this not a way to love, bless, and glorify Jesus and Mary? In each Hail Mary we bless both Jesus and Mary. Blessed art thou among women, and blessed is the fruit of thy womb, Jesus. By each Hail Mary, we give Our Lady the same honor that God gave her when He sent the Archangel Gabriel to greet her for Him. How could anyone possibly think that Jesus and Mary, who often do good to those that curse them, could ever curse those that bless and honor them by the Hail Mary? Both St. Bernard and St. Bonaventure say that the Queen of Heaven is certainly no less grateful and conscientious than gracious and well-mannered people of this world. Just as she excels in all other perfections, she surpasses us all in the virtue of gratitude, so she would never let us honor her with love and respect without repaying us 100-fold. St. Bonaventure says that Mary will greet us with grace if we greet her with the Hail Mary. Who could possibly understand the graces and blessings which the greeting and tender regard of Our Lady effect in us? From the very first instant that St. Elizabeth heard the greeting that the Mother of God gave her, she was filled with the Holy Spirit, and the child in her womb leaped for joy. If we make ourselves worthy of the greeting and blessings of Our Lady, we shall certainly be filled with graces, and a flood of spiritual consolations will come down into our souls.